From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. We continue to follow what is the first snowstorm of the season for many across the East Coast. A very wide swath of snow extending all the way from the Carolinas into northernmost New England. So let's give you a tour of the region. Right now we have light to moderate snow, especially east of Interstate 81. So places like Scranton, Allentown, and Philadelphia at this hour seeing light to moderate snow. The snow is really filled in across New Jersey this morning and even New York City, where we're going to see snow continue into the evening hours. This morning the snow is also extended into southern New England, so places like Hartford, Providence, and Boston just starting to get into some of the snow, and this snow is going to persist into the afternoon and even the overnight hours. We have winter storm warnings across a wide swath, especially of the coastal northeast. Right now they're across portions of coastal southern New Jersey, so places like Atlantic City and Cape May right now, extending down into Delaware as well, and also winter storm warning across Long Island. And in these areas, that's where we think we're going to see the heaviest snowfall through the afternoon and evening hours. Further inland, places like New York City, northern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania, winter weather advisories in effect right now, and that's where we're going to see lighter snowfall amounts through the evening hours. Heading into southern New England, winter storm warnings right now across northeastern Massachusetts, Boston included, back towards Worcester, the northeast hills of Connecticut as well included, and these are areas where we think we could see 6 or even more inches of snow. Now further inland in places like New Hampshire and western New England, winter weather advisories because of lighter snow, and across coastal New England as well, places like Plymouth, Taunton, and Providence under winter weather advisories at this hour, and that's because we're going to see more mixing in those areas where temperatures will warm some this afternoon. We might even briefly switch over to rain, places like Plymouth and Cape Cod, where they're not even under a winter weather advisory due to the fact that there'll mostly be some rain and sleet there as we head through the afternoon and evening. So let's time it out with future weather. This is a look at 4 o'clock. Still a wide swath of snow from Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, New York, into southern New England. The heaviest snow then shifts into easternmost New England. So places like Boston, Providence, New Hampshire, and Maine this evening see the heaviest snow. The rain snow line should start to progress further east, so even if Boston does change over to rain for a little while, I think it'll quickly flip back to snow, especially as we head into the evening hours. But thankfully, this is a very quick moving storm, so by tomorrow morning, the snow has moved well into Atlantic Canada. Just some clouds hugging the coast early tomorrow morning, but already some clearing across the interior. So this is a very quick hitting snowstorm for many of us along the East Coast. So this is a look at our official Campus Weather Service snowfall forecast. A good 1 to 3 inches is likely, especially along and east of Interstate 81. As we get closer to the Philadelphia area, I think 3 to 4 inches is probably a good bet. Those amounts do increase, though, as you head into portions of southern New Jersey, New York, where we're expecting 3 to 6 inches. Interior New England could see 3 to 6 inches as well, and we highlighted an area here in purple where we think the best chance of seeing 6 or more inches of snow is, and that looks to be at this time from Worcester to Boston, points north into southern New Hampshire and Maine as well. We're going to have continuing updates throughout much of the day here, so you'll be fully prepared for any snow that does fall in your region. But for now, I'm Matt Hoenig with the Campus Weather Service. Thank you, and stay tuned for more updates.